Hola! Hey everybody, it's Baron and Brent Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we are back on DENARAU Island, and you have to see this. Stop what you're doing and look at this resort-style pool. This is not a resort hotel. This is a home that is available for sale here in Fiji. And if you're wanting that executive class home, we have some executives that are coming in right now, coming through quarantine, getting to Fiji, and they want the best of the best. So walk with me and we're gonna give you a tour of this spectacular home, and you're gonna notice just the super high quality workmanship. You can see that nice shower stall. Notice the tile work up and down. Nice clean neutral tones here. And then you have a separate closet there with the shelves and the built-ins. So this side of the house actually has 3 bedrooms. Here is the second bedroom, and it has 3.5 baths. So all bedrooms, as you can see, are very similar. So they all have the shower stalls, really nice fixtures, good sized beds, all those built-in wardrobes here for your belongings. And then you have some extra storage here on this side of the house. Storage is always a good thing. Here's a half bath too for guests. So when you have guests over, they can use that. And this is the 3rd bedroom. And you can see the beds can also be put together or split up. So if you have kids, makes it very convenient. There are those built-ins in there for all your clothes and all those fun items. And there you can see the nice shower stall again with that great tile work and the imported fixtures and toilets, all the nice glass shutters there. And it does have the screen, so you can keep all this open at night and really enjoy the cool breezes here. But look at this. You can open these, all these open up, by the way, on both sides, and you can literally hop in the pool right here. How cool is that? You can hop into the pool, walk over there, grab yourself a cocktail or some breakfast or coffee, and come right back over here. Up top is the master suite. So that whole upstairs there is for the master bedroom and lounge area with a private veranda up there. So walk with me here. So the 3.5 bedrooms on this side, all of these again open up, and you have a private sitting bourrée here, covered, downlit, beautiful palm trees, golf course view on the waterway. Some more fun facts for you guys. So clearly there's the golf course there. So bring your golf clubs, bring your tennis rackets, because you're going to be right next to DENARAU Golf and Racket Club. You have a great grass play area right here in the front. And if you notice down there, you can see just there, that is your private boat jetty. So think about this. If you're a boaty, yachty, you love to surf, you love to kayak, you love to snorkel, you love to scuba dive, you love to that big game fishing, or you just want to get out on the water, you can do it, and you can leave right from your backyard. And when you come home, there you go. You can come here and you can lounge out. You got your big screen TV for your Netflix, all those streaming movies that you want to watch. Little mini fridge over there, so cool drinks will be waiting here for you. And of course, you have your air conditioner and ceiling fan to keep everything cool, just like you are when you come to Fiji, because all your friends are going to think you are super cool for coming to Fiji. Okay, so now hopefully you're still with me and you're taking notes. This is just a beautiful home. Look at these doors. I mean, look at the workmanship on the doors. Just beautiful entryway. And now we're going to go into the main quarters. You have another half bath here. So again, if you have guests on the other side staying with you, there's that half bath, and you also have a half bath here. Very convenient. And you have storage underneath the stairs to the right, and of course your washer, dryer, and utility sink with access to the side yard there. And we're going to go check out that master suite here in a minute. If you notice a problem there, that's empty space. That's where the wine bottles are supposed to go. So for you wine drinkers out there, a lot of great Australian and New Zealand wines here. You have all your Fisher Paykel appliances, great induction stovetop on there. These are really cool, very modern. And then you have your oven, double dishwasher, and micro, and then all the slow close storage with the granite countertop. I mean, look at these amenities. It just keeps going, right? Beautiful recessed LED downlighting with the aircon, ceiling fans, privacy roller shades down there. You can put those down. These are those honeycombs, right? So you can see through, you get some nice light coming through there, but you have that great privacy. So you can see these guys have done it well. Even the drainage, you see the drainage here. This is really nice craftsmanship. And look at this pool, that tile work, that would have taken some time, but look at that beautiful view. There's that coconut palm. And if you're really adventurous, you can climb up there and grab yourself a coconut, fresh juice. When you're not barbecuing the fish that you just caught with all your friends out on the boat, there's that sink, obviously, and your boat's gonna be parked right there. That is so cool, right? There you go. And in fact, see, there's one of the boats just there. So you can talk to your neighbors and see what kind of fishing they got done. A view of the yard up top. And let's go have a look at that master suite, because I know you've been waiting to hear all about that. A lot of this really nice Tommy Bahama tropical furnishings there, all custom done. I mean, look at that bar counter. Poof, huge. All right, we're going upstairs. So here we go. And a house in Fijian, by the way, is vale. So if you want to learn a little Fijian, vale. And vale lailai is the bathroom. And that's what we have here with the double sinks. And look at that nice soaking tub and big shower stall. Really, really pretty. And as you can see, you have a nice walk-in here. Great extra storage. This closes off. You even have key locks there. And you're gonna come and check this view out with me. It's just spectacular. So you have the phone access here. And we'll walk around. Then you have your air cons. You do have really nice lighting in here as well. Great little workstation. So like me, want to do a little work at night, you can take some notes and do that. And then your outdoor covered patio area. But for you guys who work at home or have an internet-based business, wouldn't you like this to be your office rather than sitting in that cubicle in your office where you are right now and just checking this out every day? Find out more about this amazing opportunity to come to Fiji and purchase a home like this. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and we can get you all the details on this just beautiful, luxurious home with the resort style pool right on the golf course with your private boat jetty. This is luxury living. This is Fiji style, Fiji time. No worry, no hurry. This is where you find that Bula spirit. The only thing missing here is you. Look forward to seeing you soon. Vinaka.